Case name Sanjay and age is 27 years and today date is 14th of December 2023 and complain of high-pitched voice even after puberty. So I want speech sample before treatment. Tell about yourself and your problem.
My name is Sanjay Kumar. I am from Pune. My basic problem is high-pitched voice, I guess. Sometimes the voice breaks.
Voice sample after therapy and today date is 21st of December 2023. So why you came here? How do you feel after the therapy?
Hello, my name is Sanjay Kumar. I have came here because of the high-pitched voice problem. So I have been here since 8 days. I came here on 14 December, today is 21st December. So my voice is quite, a lot of changes are there.
What are the reactions you are getting from your family members and the friends once you spoke first time?
No, they are very shocked, because at first it was on a feminine side and now it has become more masculine. And it's a nice voice. I am very happy.
From which place you came?
I am from Maharashtra, Pune.
Can you tell in Marathi what was the problem? How do you feel in after treatment?
Yeah, sure. मी पुण्यातून महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे, मराठीत बोलतो. माझा प्रॉब्लेम होता हाय पिच व्हॉइसचा. तो त्याच्यामुळे माझी फेमिनाईन साइड आवाज असते, म्हणजे मुलीसारखा आवाज, यू कॅन से दॅट येत होता मुलीसारखा आवाज. पण ट्रीटमेंट नंतर आता आवाज जरा भारदस्त आणि स्ट्रॉंग झालाय.
So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, surely you can use it.
Okay, thanks for the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in before and after treatment voice, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for the watching.